I'm David Williamson. I'm the CIO at Abzena. We are a contract development and manufacturing organization for the biotech industry. We use analytics for a variety of business purposes, starting from financials, management of our spend, budgets, expenses, supply chain functions to understand key vendors, our material inventories, consumables, and other purchases that we make. As we implemented our new ERP system about 18 months ago, all our inventory material data was in the ERP system, but we didn't really have good dashboards, analytics reports that people could easily access. This led to Excel, pivot table type solutions that individuals made. They required manual updates. The data wasn't very timely. We wound up having on-hand inventory 25 to 30% higher than we would want. So several tens of millions of dollars of financial exposure. This became about because of a lack of confidence in our inventory data. Again, ordering material to make sure I have enough on hand for a given client project, taking actions that wouldn't, if I had access to the data and I looked at it, I wouldn't do. Once we implemented the Savant solution, then all those data feeds became automated. We could build in a particular refresh cycle, and then we could deposit that data directly into some Power BI dashboards that we built. So then the access was simple. I just needed to go to the dashboard. I could see exactly when the data was refreshed, and I could then feel confident in making decisions off of what was being presented. It enables us to properly manage our inventory and financial exposure. So we're in the process now of greatly reducing our on-hand inventories and right-sizing it to not only meet a timely meeting of our clients' needs, but also minimizing risk for the company. One of the aha moments with Savant was about a month in when our head of supply chain, who had been advocating for a full data warehouse solution, stated to us, "Now I know why you selected this tool. The ability to give me what I need to do my job on demand is incredible."